As you all know, I am a huge fan of Plum Paper's journaling. I love journaling. Um, and I did Ironman Texas this year, and I used this to keep myself on track and balancing life. This is a swim picture that I used from the year prior, coming out of North Carolina swim, the fastest swim ever. And so BK IMTX, and for those of you that pay attention, I put the wrong date on it. So Plum Papers, I'm going to show you guys how to do this, but because I'm ordering a new one right now. But you can do just tons of stuff with this. The thing that I added to this was this was my dream board, kind of what I was wanting to do, and then going through, I would have some very clear things that I wanted to do each. Yeah, this is reoccurring, minimal alcohol, coffee. So reoccurring things going through there. Right, okay. So what this kind of looks like is how I did it was I just used it as a training journal. I was, Ironman training and whatnot. So Mondays were usually rest days. I was teaching yoga twice a week. And then I was keeping track of weight and kind of habits. Now, it's interesting that I was doing what Training Peaks has added in their smiley faces for their working out and stuff. So this is kind of how I managed. Oh, look at that. Wasn't very consistent there. Oh, that's April. Each week I would have, I would find something that I wanted to focus on. Okay. And then I would outline them like this. I would spend time on Sunday or Monday and I would outline this. And then I would fill it in when I got it done. I kind of am geeky. And then down here, minimal coffee, no alcohol, meditate. And this was kind of my daily routine stuff that I was needing to do. If I had a beer, I would write it down and stuff like that. And so just kind of I was working on weight loss here because that was a little bit soon after heart surgery and stuff. And then they have this that you can map out. I didn't use all of that. So a different week, I had printed this off and X'd what I didn't get done. I was managing dating Derek at the time, so anyway. Anyway, so, getting the long miles in, stuff like that. Right, I started to give myself grades for the working out, and whatnot, and yeah, the weeks got kind of light because I was managing dating dude and getting training in. And so rest day, I'm trying to symbolize how important the rest day was, and I had different colors for different things and stuff like that. So anyway, yeah, strength training, I was building a barn that day. Anyway, and that's how I used that for my training. Hey there, everybody. So Coach BK. I wanted to do a little tutorial on Plum Paper. So I'm on their website, www.plumpaper.com. And then the planner that I showed you earlier was the 7x9 planner. And that one was the me planner. I just made a different planner that is vertical priorities, but that planner was this one. And so I'm going to show you kind of how to set that up. There are a plethora of options on how to get this started. So the first page here, this is kind of pretty, but there's just a ton of stuff.